Hi guys, good morning. I'm off to school. I actually didn't eat, so I'll take you now to show you where you can find something to hold body and soul together inside. I'm inside a place called Byporten. Yeah, I actually need something that could serve as both breakfast and lunch. The only thing coming to my mind now is a protein smoothie. So let's go and find one, okay?
Hello. Hei, er det ok å ta et bilde av det?
Ja, ja, absolutt.
Tusen takk.
So guys, this is Smoothie Exchange XX. You find it as soon as you're leaving the Oslo Central Station. Yeah, it's in the building called Byporten. That means city gate in English. So, and here you find the freshly made smoothies, and you have several options to choose from. Yeah, you can see this is the train station as soon as you're coming out, around where you find these other shops you see here, including Kiwi. Okay, so this saved me on this particular day as I couldn't bring my lunchbox or eat from home. So I'm waiting just a few minutes. So guys, I have it. It's actually the protein plus. It's going to keep me this is going to serve as breakfast and then lunch, and it doesn't cost so much for it. I think because it's the protein the type, it has some soy milk. I will show you the recipe now. Yeah, so it's going to be serving us both breakfast and lunch for me, which is a good deal. This is 74 kroner. Yeah, so I'll catch you.